This is Steve. I'm here at the Goodguys and found another unrestored original car. I don't know why I get so much joy out of seeing original unrestored cars like this. This is a 68 Camaro. Interesting that it has the optional stripe. Typically see it like on SS cars, not so much in a base car. So it's kind of neat. V8, it's just got very, very tired car. It looks like it runs, looks like it drove in here. But this is with this to start restoration. This is it. I mean, doesn't have way much in options. I mean, no power steering, no power brakes, just a base Camaro. Fortunately ordered with a V8, 2-barrel. Like it's a no frills kind of car. But the cool color and the stripe, I think, add to the mystique of it. It's like the interior's. Somebody started buying some parts for it. Looks like maybe a dash or some interior pieces thrown in there. And I'm sure all this will buff right out. This is a cool thing what looked like from the 70s, old Jensen speakers in the back. It's like mostly original paint. It's been blended here and there. Even has a trailer hitch, locking gas cap. Nobody wants to steal that nice clean gas that's in this one, I'm sure. But this is what dreams are made of, right? Right here. You want a 68 Camaro, you want to build one yourself, you might as well start with something like this. Again, just wanted to show you this original piece here in the garage. Catch you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.